This is Refiner's Fire, also known as Purify My Heart by Doerksen. In the key of C, I'm going to teach it to you. It's just a really simple way to play this song. So as always, stop the video, click on the description below, and I have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. So in the key of C, we have some main chords. We have 3 chords, C, F, G, and then we're going to play our 2 little sister chords, A minor and D minor. So in the verse 1, let's look at a C chord, C, E, G. Then we play G chord, G, B, D. A minor, if you just move your hand up 1 note, you'll play A minor right there. A, C, E. D minor, move up to D, D, F, A. Okay. Then in the chorus, we're going to pick up an F chord, F, A, C. So let's just review those chords kind of in no particular order. C, D minor, F, G, A minor. Pretty simple. Okay, left hand is going to be playing single notes, so you could just put thumb on C, then you don't really have to move this hand the whole song. You will move the thumb open to get to the D, but here you go for single C note with a C chord. G, G in the bass, A minor, A in the bass, F, F in the bass, and then you're going to open your thumb up when you play that D minor. See, your thumb is just going to swing open, play the D note. The rhythm that we could do to bring the 2 hands together is quite simple as well. So we're just going to do this rhythm called together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. G, just practice that marching rhythm. A minor, F, and D minor. Okay, let's look at the verse 1 and bring the vocals in now. All right, so purify my heart. You could block chord through some of this if you want. That helps kind of simplify it. Or you could go purify my heart. See how I'm just doing this together, right, together, right, together, right. Okay, so let's go through that verse 1 kind of a little bit slower and all the way through. Purify, G, my heart, A minor. Let me be as D minor, gold, and G, silver, C, G, A minor, and let me be as D minor, That's how the verses are going to run. Pretty simple. They're going to just follow suit. Let's jump into the chorus. Re, F minor's fire, G, C, F, G, is to be, G, C, F, for you, Lord, I choose to be, G, C, F, for you, my master. Here's that D minor, ready to do your C. Okay, I'm going to go through verse 2 so you can kind of get back to that rhythm of, it's just changing the order of the chords. That's the only difference with the verses versus the chorus here, is the progression, the chord progression, the way in which the chords are ordered is just different. So the verses, they line up and the chorus is a little bit different. Okay, so let's look at verse 2 again. Purify my heart, cleanse me from within, D minor, and G, holy, C, G, my heart, cleanse me from my D minor, deep within. Back to the chorus. Refiner's fire, ready? I'm going to play it beginning to end. I think you can do it. As always, you can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. Purify my heart. Let me be